Aloha friends. There were strange noises coming from under the woman's bed. When they opened up the floor, they discovered a horrifying discovery. And what happened there, you're about to find out right now. Let's go. A woman heard some strange noises coming from under her bed, so she decided that someone was living there, presumably bees. To deal with the problem, she called in a specialist. The frightened resident had suspicions that bees were hiding under her floorboards. The specialist noticed that the insects were getting into the house between the soffits on the roof, but he had no idea how to clean it all up and evict the bees without harming them. The specialist, dressed in protective clothing, began to carefully remove the floorboards. He had to exercise incredible precision so as not to harm himself or the bees. Undoubtedly, he is a professional at what he does. When he finished removing the boards, he saw a bee's nest of enormous size. This was extremely rare in his practice. The hive he was able to remove in one piece. Placing the hive on the workshop table, he began carefully removing the bees to place them in their natural environment. A popular daily newspaper wrote that bees play a vital role in the life of plants, they make them multiply. Without bees, our lives would be impossible. A specialist found the queen bee, after which he carefully moved all the bees to his apiary. He performed a truly heroic act. How do you feel about that? Has anything like this ever happened to you or anyone you know? For example, on my farm, I've pulled aspen trees out of the attic many times, some of them as big as footballs. Be sure to share your opinions and stories in the comments below this video. Friends, support my young channel by liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching, see you in the next issues on the channel, my dear viewers.